would you like to move to the Mid-Atlantic colonies?
Did we list 2 people? We didn't list 2 people, Spencer.
Wait, we didn't?
Oh! Yeah, hey, at least I'm reading the rubric.
Mid-Atlantic colonies are known for their livestock, fishing, and farming.
Wow!
We grow grains and raise animals such as pigs and chickens.
Oh my God!
Have you ever wanted to worship whoever you chose?
Yeah!
Come to the Middle Colonies because we allow all religions.
Here in the Middle Colonies, we accept all people, whatever your race or religion.
Our climate is right in the sweet spot. Not too hot and not too cold.
We have lots of job opportunities in the Mid-Atlantic region, such as fishing, farming, and much more.
We have rich soil and a long growing season. We also have low taxes.
Yeah!
We are in a perfect spot for trading, smack dab in the